With the high-tech lifestyle that is known for today, men and women risk their lives on the daily, inspecting towers and other communication assets. We here in the drone community, Skeens Drone Services included, wish to help mitigate some of that risk. By using us, we can fly a tower, we can check for loose cabling after a storm, we can check for nesting birds, we can give a full picture and video to inspectors, engineers. That way they know what they are getting ready to face when they go out to do a job. So you utilize us in the drone community. We are here to help you. We are here to be an asset to you. And here at Skeens Drone Services, from the ground to the top of the tower, from the water tower to the roof to the bridge and everything in between, we are here to provide our services to you. SkeensDroneServices.com. Call us 740-442-0933. Thank you.